Today we will learn how to solve equations with unknown on both sides. As you know, solving equations means to isolate the variable. The variable here is n, so we're going to isolate n. We will keep n on one side and everything else on the other side. Starting with the variables on both sides, I have here 7n. On the other side of the equation, I have 3n. To collect them in one side, I'll move a 3n, the smaller term, to the biggest term, which is 7n. To move a 3n, we will subtract 3n from both sides. So minus a 3n minus a 3n. Going with inverse operations, 7n minus a 3n, that equals 4n, plus a 3 equals 27. Now, to isolate the n, I'll take away the 3, so minus a 3 minus a 3, so 4n equals 24. So now again I'm gonna isolate the n, so I'll divide by 4. Why dividing by 4? Because of the inverse operations. That means n equal 24 over 4, 6. To check my solution, I'll substitute n equals 6 on both sides. The left side should equal exactly the same as the right side. Moving to the other equation, again, I'm isolating n. So I want to keep n alone. So I have 7n and 5n. I'll move the smaller n to the biggest one, so minus 5n. That will give me 2n plus 5 equals 25. Again, who's bothering the x? Minus 5, so 2n equals 20. Divide by 2, we'll end up with n equals 10. To check my solution, substitute in the original equation. And finally, again, I have 10n and 7n. Move the smaller n always to the biggest n so you don't have negative answers. Minus 7n, so 3n plus 2 equals 14. Again, isolate n, so minus 2, 3n equals 12. Divide by 3, so n equals 4. To check your answer, again substitute in the original equations. Thank you for listening.